What if you could pick the perfect phone from the hottest new releases? Today, we're pitting the Honor 600, its big brother, the 600 Pro, the fan-favorite Samsung Galaxy S26 FE, and the beastly Redmagic 11S Pro against each other. Get ready for an epic tech showdown. Starting with screen size, the Honor models offer a comfortable, compact feel. But if you crave immersive viewing, the Samsung steps it up, and the Redmagic 11S Pro really goes all out, giving you maximum screen real estate for your content and gaming. Resolution-wise, the Honor Duo delivers incredibly sharp visuals, making every detail pop. The Redmagic also offers a fantastic crisp experience. Samsung, while still great, is a step behind in pixel density, so keep that in mind. All feature AMOLEDs. Honor wins on peak brightness and eye-friendly dimming. Redmagic takes the refresh rate crown with its super smooth 144 Hz. Honor prioritizes eye comfort. Redmagic innovates with an under-display camera and ultra-responsive touch. Samsung adds robust Gorilla Glass protection. Under the hood, we see a clear hierarchy. The Honor 600 starts strong, but its Pro sibling, Samsung, and especially the Redmagic 11S Pro pack next-gen flagship power, ensuring blazing fast performance for everything you throw at them. Pure speed. CPU performance is where the Redmagic 11S Pro truly shines, offering incredible raw processing power for demanding tasks and gaming. The Honor 600 Pro follows closely, while Samsung provides a solid, balanced experience for daily use. For graphics, it's a battle of titans. The Redmagic 11S Pro with its top-tier GPU is an absolute gaming powerhouse. Honor 600 Pro is right behind, delivering stellar visuals. Samsung's solution is capable, but the Redmagic is simply built for extreme gaming. Looking at benchmarks, the Honor 600 Pro and Redmagic 11S Pro absolutely dominate, showcasing their raw power. Samsung holds its own as a strong contender. The Honor 600, while capable, isn't playing in the same league as these performance beasts. When it comes to the main camera, the Honor 600 and 600 Pro boast incredibly high megapixel counts for stunning detail, with the Pro adding a dedicated telephoto lens for impressive optical zoom. Samsung offers a versatile triple setup, including a solid telephoto for those crucial close-ups and a wide ultra-wide for expansive shots. The Redmagic 11S Pro, while capable, aims for a balanced approach with a strong main sensor and ultra-wide, though it lacks a dedicated telephoto. If zoom is your priority, the Honor 600 Pro and Samsung are your best bets, delivering flexibility and quality across the board. For video, Samsung and Redmagic clearly lead with their stunning 8K recording, offering unparalleled detail. All devices provide excellent stabilization for smooth footage. If you're into high frame rate slow motion, Samsung and Redmagic again pull ahead with more options. AI is a huge focus here. Honor's models leverage advanced AI for incredible night shots and video generation. Samsung brings its powerful Galaxy AI features like Object Eraser. All offer robust OIS for steady shots, ensuring your photos are always sharp. Selfie cameras show some interesting choices. The Honor Duo offers incredibly high-resolution front lenses for super detailed self-portraits. Samsung provides a reliable, sharp option with fast autofocus, but the Redmagic 11S Pro truly stands out, giving you a completely uninterrupted display thanks to its unique under-display selfie camera, a real conversation starter. Battery life is critical, and here the Redmagic 11S Pro is the undisputed champion, offering colossal capacity for extended gaming. The Honor models also promise impressive endurance. Samsung, while decent, is clearly at the lower end of this power-packed comparison. Honor brings serious AI and robust water resistance. Samsung offers unparalleled software support. Redmagic is a gaming beast, even with a PC emulator. Finally, price. Honor 600 and Samsung offer great value. The 600 Pro is a step up, and the Redmagic 11S Pro is the premium powerhouse.